Courtney, and we are reading in our science book, starting on page 244, the start of chapter 9, A Variety of Vertebrates, How Animals Are Classified. Have you ever watched a giraffe swim out to sea? Did you ever see a goldfish climb a tree? Do lizards grow warm coats of hair in order to visit Alaska? Can birds fly eggs underwater? As you investigate the orderliness of God's creation, you know that such questions are quite silly. Animals belong in specific places and could not live very well anywhere else. When God created animals, He made each kind unique. Each animal was given a special job according to God's creative plan. God gave each animal exactly what it needed to do its job the best. Some were designed to stay on land, others in the water. Some were made to creep along, others He created to fly. God gave some plenty of hair. Some He made with none. Some were given hooves, others were given claws. Some were colorful and some were bland. Some were tiny, whereas others were big and powerful. Each one had its own looks, instincts, and habitat, according to the Creator's plan. Naming the animals. God gave Adam a tremendous job to do in the Garden of Eden. Adam's responsibility was to name all of the animals. If you were given such a job, how would you start? It would be extremely difficult to think of names for all the different types of animals. An even more difficult task would be to remember those names afterward. To make remembering easier, Adam probably divided the animals into different groups according to their actions and their looks. This method of arranging animals or other things into groups is called classification. Animals are classified according to their characteristics. If you studied mammals, you learned that mammals are warm-blooded vertebrates that produce milk, breathe with lungs, have at least some hair, and most give birth to live young. Therefore, a bird would not be a mammal because it lays eggs and has feathers instead of hair. A snake would not be a mammal because it is cold-blooded and has scaly skin. Vertebrates that are not mammals are classified as either birds, fish, reptiles, or amphibians. Only birds are warm-blooded like mammals. All other vertebrates are cold-blooded. Cold-blooded animals are not designed to maintain a constant body temperature like warm-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals have body temperatures that vary according to the temperature of their surroundings. If the weather around them is cold, their bodies are cold and sluggish. If the weather is warm, their bodies are quick and active. Many cold-blooded animals must hibernate in winter months in order to survive until spring. Some cold-blooded animals migrate to the tropics for the winter and return to cooler climates for the summer. Others stay in warmer climates throughout the year. And this picture is just an example of warm-blooded vertebrates. And we will stop there for our comprehension check.